Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The neighbors complained about the high fence in his yard and forced to demolish. Then the man decided to teach them a lesson. Jason Windows gave his California neighbors something to look at during a dispute over the height of a backyard fence. Naked mannequins have a garden party. 4 of the fashion dummies are seated in wicker chairs around a matching table. Another is standing with its arms over its head and charm rocks over on its breast. A hand-scrawled sign on top of a nearby wooden barrel reads, "Reserved seat for the nosy neighbor that complained about my fence to the city. They wanted me to tear down my fence to see inside my yard, and now they get to," Windows said. Windows said he was building a 6-foot, 2-meter fence at his home in Santa Rosa so he could let his dog out in his backyard when he got a letter from the city saying it violated an ordinance limiting such barriers along sidewalks to 3 feet, 1 meter. It was a 6-foot fence, like everybody else's around here, Windows said Tuesday. Windows asked why he was being singled out and was told City Hall was responding to a complaint. Windows, who owns a moving company, said the mannequins he had picked up from a clothing store came to mind as he pondered how to send a message to the neighbor. A Santa Rosa man looked in. A dispute with the city over his fence height made national headlines this week when he staged an unusual protest by adding naked mannequins to his yard in plain sight of his neighbors. And now there's a new twist. Someone has stolen 2 of the mannequins. The original dispute began when the city of Santa Rosa forced resident Jason Windows to lower his 6-foot fence to just 3 feet. Windows was apparently in violation of a city ordinance regulating fence height, and the city said someone had complained about it. In retaliation, Windows set up a display of naked mannequins having a garden party in his backyard, telling news outlets, "They wanted me to tear down my fence to see inside my yard, and now they get to." A handwritten sign nearby reads, "Reserved seat for the nosy neighbor that complained about my fence to the city." Windows believes the mannequin theft occurred due to that lowered fence, KGO reported. Despite the presence of a guard, one of the other mannequins wearing a helmet notch. Windows said he originally built the tall fence in order to let his dog out into the backyard.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.